Okay, 6 girls scored an average of 85 marks for the math paper. 8 boys joined the group. The average marks scored by the group of 14 children became 87 marks. What was the average mark scored by the 8 boys? Okay, as I mentioned before, average means total value divided by quantity. In this case, the value refers to the marks. The value is the marks. Okay, the quantity is the children, the number of children. Number of children, okay? So average means value divided by quantity. Just take note of that. Now, I want to find the average score of the boys only. I don't want the girls' average score. So what we're going to do here is we are going to find out the total score for the girls first, okay? So total score for 6 girls. For the 6 girls will be 85 times 6. That will give me 510. Then they also say that the 14 children average, so total score for 14 children means for everybody lah, will be 87 marks times 14 children. That is 1218. Now you can see there's a difference. This is 6 girls only. This one is 14 children. What is the difference? The difference will be for the boys. Okay. So the difference in total marks will be 1218 minus 510. I will get 708. This is for my 8 boys. So for the average of 8 boys, simply take 708 total value divided by the quantity 8 boys equals to 88.5. Answer. All right, Mary bought 3 shirts, 2 pair of shoes, and 5 skirts for 463. The total cost of 1 shirt and 1 pair of shoe is 134. The total cost of 1 shirt and 1 skirt is 79. Find the cost of 1 skirt. So many different things. List them out first. Okay, if you have it in words like that, it's quite confusing. List them out first. Okay, 3 shirt plus 2 shoe plus 5 skirt is 463. 1 shirt plus 1 shoe is 134. So we know that he bought is from this part here. Whatever he bought is this one. Okay, that's my main reference. Right now, how many shoes did he buy? He bought 2 shoes. So let's use this to make it into 2 shoes. Okay, so if it's 2 shoes, I want 2 shoes here. From 1 to 2, I times 2, correct? So the rest of them must also do the same. So become 2 shirt plus. So here become 134 times 2. Okay, so everything must times 2. Everything times 2. Get it? Because I'm trying to make it into 2 shoes. Okay, so 2 shirt plus 2 shoe equals to $268. Okay, next one, I have 1 shirt plus 1 skirt equals to $79. Now, how many shirt do I want in this case? How many shirt do I want in this case? I want 3 shirts, right? If you look at the main one, 3 shirts, okay? So 3 shirt plus 2 shoe plus 1 skirt is equals to 268. 2 shirt, 2 shoe, okay? Which means from here I have a bit of the 2 shirt, 2 shoe already, plus $79. Okay, where do I get this information here? 3 shirt, 2 shoe, and 1 skirt. 1 skirt and 1 shoe is from here. So this skirt and 1 of the shoe from here, it is $79 there. The 268 come from 2 shirt and then 2 shoe from the top here. Okay, so it will be a total of 3, 4, 7. So now how many skirts do I have in all? So since I know that one shirt and one skirt is 79, one shirt and one skirt is 79, so I have a total of 4 skirts. Will be $463, which is the total, minus away your 347 from above, from here, equals to 116. So one skirt is 116 divided by 4. Answer is $29. Okay, that's my answer. Copy down. Maybe you can. Okay, number 12. One look at this question. I know this is remainder concept. Why? There's a word remain there. Okay, a group of people were having a meeting in a conference room. 1/3 of the people left for lunch, while the rest remain. Remainder. After some time, 1/5 of the people who went out for lunch came back. The number of people in the conference room increased to 55. This is the value they gave us. The number of people in the room after the lunch time is over is 55. How many people have not returned from lunch? We are going to use the remainder concept using fraction for this question. Okay, so we take out 1/5. This one, we look at this. 1/5 people who went for lunch came back. So who did not come back? 4/5, right? 1 whole minus 1/5 equals to 4/5. This one did not come back. Did not come back yet. Okay, so these 4/5 are those who did not come back, but they are those who left for lunch also. They left for lunch but haven't come back. Who are those who left for lunch? The 1/3. So how many people are there outside actually? 4/5 of those who left for lunch. Did not come back. Who left for lunch? Understand? I'm just trying to find the total fraction of people who are still outside. Okay, so it will be 4/15. These are people still out for lunch. Okay, so we take, I want to know the remaining, right? So we take 1 whole minus 4/15 to find those who remain and those who came back already. Okay, so it will be 11/15. Units. This is my total. Okay, this is the number of people left over. Let me see. Remain plus come back. In short, this is after lah. After. Okay, so this is this. This is 11 unit actually. 11 unit is 55. 1 unit is 55 divided by 11 equals to 5. I want to know how many people have not returned. Did not return means this one, right? Still out for lunch, 4 units. 5 times 4 equals to 20. Done. Okay? Take note of the answer. 15 similar bottles that are put into a container have a total mass of 5.125 kg. Each bottle is 75 gram heavier than the container. Find the mass of the empty container, find the total mass of the container and the remaining bottles when 6 bottles are taken out. Give your answer in kilogram. Okay. If you want to compare first, we have to compare 1 container versus 1 bottle first. 1 bottle versus 1 container. Okay, so 1 bottle is heavier. So 1 bottle is, I don't think I have space. I need to go downwards a bit. Okay. 1 bottle and 1 container. 1 bottle is a bit longer than the container by 75 gram. Okay, like this. But do I only have one bottle in this story? No, I have 15 bottles, right? So actually I need to stack upwards 15. I don't think I have space. I bring the bottle and container down a bit more. Okay. One bottle versus one container. Bottle is longer than container because it's heavier. This is 75 gram. Okay, I have 15 bottles. They say 15. So we're going to stack it up. Stack upwards. Must use ruler, you see? No ruler, everything haywire. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yeah, that one a bit smaller lah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the total for all this is 5.125 kilogram. Okay. Now, what do I want? I want to find the mass of the empty container. So if you look at this portion here, there is this gap, which I can fill it up, then I'm going to get equal 16 units. This whole thing is 15 bottles. This is one container. A total of all the units here are all the same. Okay, these are all same units. So actually, I can get 5.125 kilogram plus 75 gram, which is convert this one into kilogram first, which is actually 0.75 kg. 0.075, sorry. Okay, we take, I show you how I convert 75 divided by 1000. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 0.0, right? So 5.125 kilogram plus 0.075 kilogram will give me 5.2 kg. This is for everything, which is 16 units when I include this thing in. 16 unit is 5.2 kg. 1 unit will be 5.2 kg divided by 16. That is 0.325 kg. Okay. In short, this is also my one bottle. But do I want one bottle? I want A is one container. So one container will be 0.325 kg. Take away 0.075 kg. Equals to 0.25 kilogram. This is your answer for part A. Okay, now for part B, find the total mass of the container and remaining bottles when 6 bottles are taken out. Okay, so let's find 6 bottles taken out. 15 minus 6 will be 9. 9 bottles remain left. 9 times 0.325 kg from here, one bottle, equals to 0.325 times 9. 2.925 kg. 2.925 kg plus your container, because you say find the total mass of container and the remaining bottle. Container is 0.25 kg. Answer will be 3.175 kg. This is answer for part B. Okay. Number 14. When a train left station X, it had space for 40 passengers. Upon arriving at station Y, 1/9 of the passengers alighted. Alighted means go down. And 40 passengers boarded. Boarded means come up. Okay. At station Z, 3/4 of the passengers alighted. And then 50 passengers were left on the train. What is the maximum number of passengers the train can carry? Confusing, but if we do line by line, it is possible. Okay, we go backwards. This is a working backwards question. Let's work from the back. So at station Z, Okay, so when it left for station Z, 3/4 of the passengers alighted, 50 passengers boarded. When I say alighted means go down, right? So this is station Z. 1 whole minus 3/4. I'm left with 1/4. This is after station Z. Okay, so 50 passengers were left. So which means this is my leftover. This one alighted, right? This one go down. This one is my left. This is the unit left, right? So 1 unit is actually my 50 passengers left here. They already told us here. So let me go and find the total. This is my total. Before they go down at station Z, before the passengers go down. So 4 units will be 50 times 4, 200. This is before going down Z. This is before they alighted at Z. Before alighted at Z. Okay, so now we go backwards again. We go backwards. Now I'm done with this line. Now we go backwards here already. 40 passengers boarded, right? So now we are at Y. Okay, so we have station Y, 40 passengers boarded. So 200 before the boarding of 40 passengers means we don't have these 40 people. It will be 160. Okay, this 160 is 1/9 of the passengers, which means this 60 is the balance. 1 whole minus 1/9. This is alighted, right? This one go down. So my leftover will be 8/9. This is my left. This is my total at Y. Okay, so I continue up here. 8 unit is my 160. 1 unit is 160 divided by 8. I get 20. Find those Y at first. So 9 times 20, I get 180. Then go backwards again. Station X. So I have 180, right? Then it has space for 40 people. Means when they left X, I can fit 40 more people. So plus 40 equals to 220. At first, it is actually 220 seats. Okay? Working back. 15. The figure below ABCD is a rectangle. The length of DG is 2/3 the length of DC. DG is 2 units. DC is a total of 3 units here. Where do I get that information? 2/3 unit. The first item is the first thing dimension. Second denominator or the bottom denominator is for the second item dimension. Okay. DE is equal to GH. DE equals to GH equal to HI equals to IJ. They are all equal, right? If triangle BJI have an area of 36 cm squared, find the total shaded of area of the figure. Okay. Let's find area of triangle AHJ if it's a bigger triangle. This one, triangle A. I call it triangle A. Okay. Area of triangle A equals to 2 times 2 of the area of triangle BIJ. Okay, so if you see BIJ, I can complete like this. Can you see? So 2 times of this is a rectangle, right? And then when I say 2 times of this whole thing, because this portion is 1 unit. This length is 1 unit. This whole portion, the rectangle portion is 1 unit. This is 2 units. So area of triangle A is 2 times of 2 of BIJ. BJI, which means 2 times 2 of your BJI, which is 36. Okay, that will be 108 cm squared. Okay, so this one settled already. This is 108 cm squared. Now, total shaded area will be your 144. Okay, 144 comes from, sorry. This is 144. This is 144 cm squared. Then we need to find area, the other one, right, of triangle B. Let's call this B, okay? That will be 3 times, because it covers one whole thing, 2 units and 1 unit, 3 units, right? 3 units of your triangle BJI. So 3 times 36 equals to 108 cm squared. So my total area that is shaded is 144 plus 108 plus 36 equals to 288 cm squared. That's your answer. Okay. The number of white mice was 5/13, the total number of white and black mice in the laboratory lab. 1/3 of the white mice escaped, and an additional 144 black mice were put in. The number of white mice is now 1/4 of the number of black mice. How many white mice were there at first? This is BCA actually, okay? But why do I say BCA? Because there's the word at first, okay? But there's a lot of going backwards because you do not know a lot of information. Let's start from the back, okay? Let's start from the back. So at first, we have 5/13 unit, okay? This is white, this is total. So my black will be 13 unit minus 5 unit, that is 8 unit, okay? Then I put the white is to black, that is 5:8. Then they say 1/3 of the white mice escape. White mice are 1/3. So 1/3 means, you see, this one is not 3, this is 5. So I must times 3 times 3. So this is 15 is 224. So escape will be 1/3 times the 15 equals to 5 mice escape. All right, okay. Then now we move on. After at first, this one after escape. I'm doing the logical way so you all can see easier. So after escape, the white is to black. What happened? The white is to black. It is now 1:4. But we that one is after we put in the black mice, right? So after escape will be the black one remain, no change. But the white mice escape already, right? So 15 minus 5 equals to 10. This is my white mice 10. Okay, after escape. Then in the end, okay, in the end, white is to black. That one is 1:4. Remember the one that is now this one. Okay, so we know that the white, there's no change. White mice after escape, no change. But the additional is the black mice that's put in. Okay, so white mice, no change. This one and this one should be the same. So it's times 10. Here also times 10. Equals to 10 is 240. Now you can see from 24 to 40, there is a difference. 24 to 40, there's a difference, right? So 40 unit minus 24 unit equals to 16 unit. This is the black mice that was put in. 16 unit is 144. 1 unit is 144 divided by 16. I get 9. Now, how many mice, white mice were there in the lab at first? This is the one. I want to find 15 units, okay? 15 units is 9 times 15. Answer is 135. Answer. Okay. Okay, Kelly wants to buy hair clips for a friend. Each hair clip costs $6. There's a promotion as shown below. What is the greatest number of hair clips she can buy with $85? Okay, when they say greatest, means there's not exact number. There will be remainder. There will be remainder. You're going to expect some remainder because they say greatest. Maximum, minimum, greatest, least. When you see these kind of words, there will be remainder. Okay, so let's look at this one. Each hair clip is $6. They say buy 2 hair clips, you get third one at half price. Now, how many 2 hair clips can I buy with that one $6? Okay, so you take your $6, you divide it by 2, you get $3. Okay, so now the $6, I buy 2, right? Times 2. This is at half price. This is at half price. 6 times 2, you plus your half price, it will be $15. So this is for this set. $6 plus $6 plus $3. This is the set. This is considered one set. Now, how many sets of $15 are there in $85? This is my next step. What I'm going to do is $85 divided by $15. And I will be getting 5 groups of remainder $10. This is my remainder. The remainder will be in dollars, but I have 5 groups. 5 groups of what? 5 groups of your $10 of your $15 group here. Okay, of the set. 5 groups of one set. One set. Okay. So you take the balance $10, the remainder, the $10, right? You divide it by 6 because 2 of it equals to 1 remainder 4. So I can get 1 only, and then there's remainder again. Okay, 5 groups of one set. One set, how many paper clip? Paper clip, hair clip. 5 times 3, and then you plus 1 just now. Okay, that will be 16. I can only buy 16. Okay,